What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another Lunar Classic video. Grab your teas, grab your water and whatever it is that you drink when you watch a Lunar Classic video, and let's jump straight into it. Today we are going to be talking about all of the updates that you need to know. There's burn updates, there's word from Kwon that he's officially given away the project to the community, and a bunch of other stuff talking about the charts and where the overall market is. With that said, if you don't know me already, I'm not a financial advisor, even though I may look like one. I am most certainly not. So never make any financial decisions based on these videos. And let's check out Bitcoin first to get some context of the market. First of all, Bitcoin now sitting at 20,700. You see we had this nice pump. We actually broke out of this triangle. People were calling for a bullish change in events here, but we got rejected right here at around 21,700. Coming down now, potentially we may be putting in another higher low. You can see here, higher low here. Potentially we're putting in one here, which would be bullish. If not, and we do break below this, we are just going to continue this trend. Now, as we are in a very bearish trend in the whole world, it's more likely that this is going to continue to be bearish, in my opinion. If we were to break upwards above this resistance, the next line of resistance I'm looking at $27,000 here. So if we were to cleanly break this, maybe retest it and head up, could be a perfect long opportunity. Or if you believe we're going to go lower, could be a perfect short opportunity coming in soon. With that said, I do have a partnership here on the channel with Bitget. If you sign up using the link down there in my description, you can get up to $4,000 in deposit bonuses, and on top of that, you can get up to $100 in cash that you can trade with right on the platform. So if you deposit, let's say $1,000, you can get $100 trading bonus where you can trade directly on the platform. With that, you can trade futures, all of that sort of stuff. You can leverage these moves up to a lot, right? But you can also stay very safe and have small amounts of leverage. Whatever your own trading style is, you can do that over on Bitget. Remember, all of the links are down there in my description, and if you do want to buy Lunar Classic, of course you can do that here on Bitget, because why else would I bring them to you? With that said, the Crypto Greed and Fear Index sitting at 22, so becoming less fearful. Terra Classic sitting right now at a decrease of 1.47% on the day, and UST Classic sitting at a 4% gain, but still at 5 cents. So things aren't looking too bad for the prices, and let's move on to what's going on. So we got breaking news. Kwon just gave Lunar Classic to the community. This is something that we kind of knew about, but I don't think we've seen him in words write it on Twitter. So here we're seeing him. It's not that hard to understand. Anyone taking leadership at Lunar Classic should be able to gain conceptual mastery without my help, but I am happy to help. So he's got no part of this project anymore, but he is happy to help. Now, I don't really like him. I don't think he's very good. I don't think the way he acted during everything. So I kind of just want him to go. I like the fact that this is a community-driven coin. I like the fact that we have proof here, and I kind of just want him to leave it up to us now, up to the community. We also have him here saying we have no control or any special privileges. So again, confirming that he does not have any active role in Terra Classic, which is what I want to see. I think the community wants to see that, and we can take this and take it as far as we can go, right? Moving on, we got #1 trending Lunar Classic again, even above Shiba and Bitcoin. Even though Bitcoin has had some big moves recently, it's only #3, Terra Classic #1, and that says a lot about the community behind the coin. On top of that, also we have a bullish flag forming on the Lunar Classic daily chart. Now, with that said, because of the overall trend in the market, I think it's less likely that this plays out. Of course, if you do want to trade this, you can do that over on Bitget here. You can trade this big giant bullish flag that people are talking about right here. If that's something that you guys want to do, of course it's a decision that you need to make, but overall I think the market is still very bearish, so stay very safe when it comes to this sort of thing. As you know, this channel is about no hopium, right? We're not spreading only positive news. We're looking at both sides of the coin and being very, very realistic on where the price is going to go. Finally, we do have this 1.6 billion Lunar Classic burned in 24 hours on the testnet. Now, I spoke about this in yesterday's video, and with only 1.6 billion coins being burnt per day, it would take years, a lot of years, to burn enough for us to get to, let's say, $1, right? Which is what a lot of people are wanting, expecting, and talking about on the interwebs. And we need to be realistic. If we're only burning 1.6 billion a day, it's going to take a long time to do that. If we do manage to bring this burn up by, say, increasing the volume, that would be great. But of course, with these burns, people are going to be losing money in the transaction fee. So we may even see less volume come in when this is rolled out on the main net. So keep that in mind. Don't get too bullish too quickly. If you do want to dollar cost average into Lunar Classic because you personally believe in its longevity, then that's definitely something you can do. But I wouldn't be trading wildly in this volatility. Stay safe. And if you want to keep your hopium free updates with Lunar Classic, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.